Hi there. Have you ever noticed that almost all companies use Microsoft Excel? Well, they do. Surveys find that 90% of businesses use Excel for analyzing financial and operational data. Macros, VBA, are used in 45% of spreadsheets, and graphs in 38% of them. Therefore, we want you to develop your Excel skills and use Excel throughout the master's program. As a starting point, this online course teaches the Excel skills that are necessary to succeed in your program. It consists of instruction videos, example spreadsheets, and a final test. The tests for finance and financial management are different, as the requirements of the program differ. Your solution will be graded and count as a case grade. Just one thing before you start. Don't just focus on passing the test, but make sure that you actually learn. Run your own copy of Excel alongside the videos and replicate what you see. This is the most effective way to learn new techniques. Also, check out the startup tips, the keyboard shortcuts, and the extras. Are you ready for it? Then start investing in your Excel skills right now.